Okay.
Okay, we're going to do a single confocal light profile scan across this Apple computer connector, and we're going to be going a total of 12 millimeters, which gets us up on the outer portion on both sides. We'll be going at a 2 kilohertz scan rate, and we'll be scanning every 10 microns. We'll be stepping, every 10 microns for a total scan time of 600 milliseconds. So let's just go ahead and do this. Here we go. And that actually took a little longer than the 600 milliseconds because of some preparation time that the micromeasure robot has to do. However, the actual scan took only 600 milliseconds. And here's some data results of this scan. And as you can see, this first pin looks like it's roughly 0.1 millimeter below the top surface. This next one in looks like it's a little over 0.3. This one here looks like it's about 0.35 and 0.3 and 0.1 or less on this most outside one. But you can see here is the profile right down the center of the connector, showing the two top portions of the shield piece here, normalized at 0. And so yeah, that's it. So to recap, that was 600 milliseconds worth of scan time, 10 micron steps, and a 12 millimeter distance, which is a total of 1,200 samples. So, okay, so there we are. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.